This is going to be a big move. I do expect that they'll come through. They've certainly got the political capital, so to speak, in the markets to come through with this half-point hike. So I'd be awfully surprised if they didn't. I do think that the markets are increasingly getting sort of used to this idea, which is important. I would argue that they need to do this. I mean, we are looking at serious inflation. Yesterday I told you about food prices were up 31% versus this time last year. That's just not sustainable, and inflation can be a really dangerous thing if it's not kept in check. Then again, a lot of this could actually already be priced in. Again, you've got a very talkative Federal Reserve. I like to say, guys, where's the mystery? Like, where is the mystery in this relationship? They keep telling us over and over and over again exactly what they're going to do before they do it. I do wish that they had been more proactive about reining in all the money printing and actually hiking rates earlier on. They weren't, but hey, better late than never, I guess, right? We'll take it. I think the market will be able to take this in stride, but I do think the reality is this. We are looking at a recession. I put the odds of recession at 85%. I don't think it's going to be an extraordinarily bad one, and I say that as somebody who's lived through some really bad ones. 2007, for example, into 2008 comes to mind, and the challenges we then had after that, including the European debt crisis following our debt crisis here at home. So those were real problems. But look, recessions are part of life. They're a cyclical thing. If you don't have one for so long because the Federal Reserve is kind of out there propping things up, artificially preventing it, well then when things fall apart, they fall apart in a much bigger way, right? And that's what you could actually argue about what happened in 2008. The Fed allowed money to be so cheap, thereby encouraging all those banks to get into the subprime business. But we'll save that one for another day. Just suffice it to say, yes, they're going to raise rates. I do not think it's the end of the world. I do think that there's going to be a recession. However, I do hope it is a mild one. Thank you so much. Hey, big news. I just joined Truth Social. Truth Social, another social media platform. So you can check me out there at Trish Regan. I don't have the underscore this time. Usually it's Trish_Regan on Instagram, on Twitter. TrishIntel.com, by the way, is the website. And I am at Locals, which is TrishRegan.locals.com, TrishRegan.locals.com. But yes, I am on Truth. I look forward to seeing you there. I look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow. And we can talk about new developments in this mess with the Supreme Court, as well as this mess with the government disinformation board and what the upshot of this whole Fed thing is going to be. I'll see you then.